Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome all of you in this video lesson. Today we are going to talk about the solar system. Dear students, in the previous lesson we discussed about the universe and the early concepts about the solar system. Today I will tell you about solar system briefly. Before we start our lesson, I would like to share some information about the galaxies. Dear students, galaxies are very important part of universe. Our solar system is a smallest part of a galaxy, which is named as a Milky Way galaxy. It is a spiral galaxy. So the question which comes in the mind that is what is a galaxy? So the answer of this question is galaxy is a cluster of billions of stars. Those stars could be planets or suns of other solar systems which are present in a galaxy. Dear students, as I have said that our solar system is a little or smaller part of a Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is a spiral galaxy and its diameter is 10 million light years. There are different types of galaxies, for example elliptical, spiral and irregular. In this picture we can clearly see that different types of galaxies, for example spiral galaxies are here. Spiral galaxies have spirals connected at the center, and that center is called galactic center. Here we have elliptical galaxies, which are also known as disk-like galaxies. Here we have irregular galaxies. Irregular galaxies have a regular or a specific size or a shape. Here we have a very important part of our solar system, that is Sun. Dear student, Sun is a source of heat and energy in the form of light. Although it is a very important part of our solar sun, it is also a central part of our solar system. Due to its immense size, it has a strongest gravitational pull in the solar system, so that it keeps all other planets to revolve around it in the orbits with strong force of gravity. Students, there are 8 other planets revolving around the Sun. Here we have 8 other planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. In this picture, we can see the order of these planets. Dear students, these planets are too cold or too hot to be suitable for any kind of a life. For example, Mercury and Venus are too hot that no life can exist on them. And on the same hand, Uranus and Neptune are too cold that nothing can survive on these two planets. Students, fortunately, there is only a Earth in our solar system, even in a known universe where life does exist. Dear student, at the end of this planet you can see a tiny dot that was a planet at some time and named as Pluto. Now Pluto has ceased to be a planet because in August 2006 International Astronomical Union gave a decision saying that since Pluto did not meet all the conditions and the criteria, it can no longer be called a planet. In this slide, dear students, we will discuss about the categories of our planets because scientists divided our planets into two categories. Number one is inner planets. Those are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And the second category is outer planets. In this category, planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Dear students, in this slide, in this picture, you can clearly see a small piece of rocks. This belt of rocks is called asteroid belts because these pieces of rocks are called asteroids and meteorites. This belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. That is why Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called inner planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called outer planets. Dear students, it is very important to tell you that our Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to go once around the sun. So our year is about 365 days. But every fourth year is a leap year and it has 366 days. The question which comes to the mind, how to count the days in a month? So in this regard, I have a wonderful rhyme to memorize the days in a month. Like 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has 28 days clear but 29 in each leap year. At the end of the lesson, students, I have an activity for you. You have to draw the solar system on the chart and bring that chart to school once you are back to school, inshallah. But for now, you are supposed to send me the picture of that chart on my WhatsApp number so that I can evaluate your effort, your hard work. For further information, you can consult your book, Peter Moss Book 3 on page 2 and 3. If you have any problem or query regarding this topic, let me know and your problem will be solved there and then, inshallah. Uh, Dear students, stay at home, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.